Hangzhou Fujie. Our company is located in Hangzhou, which is the capital and most populous city of Zhejiang Province in East China. It sits at the head of Hangzhou Bay, which separates Shanghai and Ningbo. Hangzhou Fujie Outdoor Products Incorporated is established in 2007. We have a professional product development team, quality inspection team, after-sales team. Our factory has 10,000 square meters workshop, 200 workers, and more than 20 years experience in producing tents. And we have perfect supporting service by setting departments of designing, heat transfer printing, sewing, packing, quality control, etc. So it not only can reduce production cost, improve delivery time, and save purchasing cost for customers, but also control every step of production and make sure efficient and stable in production. Also, we invested in purchasing a series of mechanical equipment, recruiting professional and experienced pattern market, and integrating human resources with a whole collection of management, operation, and service. We're committed to research and develop, produce camping tent, bench tent, teepee tent, and so on, so that we provide our partners with professional and efficient one-stop service. Our developing team are all experienced technicians working in the outdoor products industry for more than 10 years, and our sales team offers 24 hours customer service online. And we have gained more than 10 patents on IPR in the past 10 years, and we will have more international patents in the near future. Our company value is hardworking, honest, benefit for the others, which is leading us from success to be more success. Our company established in 2007. And our business are all first-class brands such as Eureka, Fly Tent, Crane, Summer Habitat, Outdoor Base, Sunday, and so on. Our main market are North America, Canada, European countries, Russia, Australia, Middle East, and so on. President Fisher Wu and her team warmly welcome you to be our next partner. We are big enough to leave production space for your large order quantities, and we are small enough to take care of you as our VIP customers. Let's enjoy the work together.
Our company value is
customer first, teamwork, honest,
passion, hard work,
embrace the culture.
Welcome to Hangzhou Fujie.